Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. A mysterious high-pitched sound shook Havana in Cuba, sparking concerns of a possible sonic attack. US diplomats reported health issues, and the cause remains unsolved. Some say it's the loud mating call of a certain type of cricket, while others believe it's a covert sonic weapon. Today, you'll hear the actual sound that sparked this controversy. Could it be just an insect or something more sinister? Get ready to listen to the strange noise that baffled experts and left the world wondering.